The Atlas NG can work as an optical power meter. Once we have fed the optical signal through the fiber optics FC-APC input in the analyzer, we can see in the fiber optics OPM feature a bar showing the amount of light received. As opposed to the optical power meter featured in the advanced fiber optics option, which is wavelength selective, this optical power meter is non-selective and will measure the optical power in the full range from 800 nanometers to 1700 nanometers. We can see the nominal value in dBm for the optical power by the side of the bar.